So I just kind of wanted to showcase that there is I'm going through a bit of a change in direction for this game. So initially there was buildings and stuff over there from like earlier features like the whatchamacallit, grocery store and all that stuff. But I think it's going to be more interesting. So I've reduced the plates to be like three. The game's a bit more streamlined, and there's like a less opportunity for lag to occur, while also allowing them to pretty much build a pretty sizable base, I suppose. Because there's definitely going to be a lot of like humanoids slash like NPCs and stuff in the game on like each of these. So definitely going to be great to save on resources. So three, and players will be able to like invite like up to three other friends onto their base to do stuff. So it's going to be for a it's a 12 player max server. But if no one invites anyone, it's just going to be three players. So yeah, the only way that a server will have more than three players is if one of the players who owns a plot intentionally invites someone on the Roblox website. So that's some good stuff. And then over here in this like area over here, I'm gonna be creating a multitude of maps. So it's gonna kind of be like I guess like a round based system. So like let's say like every in-game week, I guess like 7 days, like new restaurants might spawn, or like a disaster or something, like a flood or something, and players have to defend their base against the elements or something. I definitely want to add in like a rival system where these other restaurants will come by, and you have to compete with them to make more money than them, I guess, or else like you lose the round. Or there might be like a co-op mechanic where you have to organize yourself with like the other bases, and either compete with them or collaborate with them, I guess, which might be which might not be the best idea because there's three, so I might need to make it like a 2v2 or something. I don't know. Might be like a oh, or I think better yet would just be like at the start of each round. Would you guys like to all 1v1v1, or I guess just like free for all, or like co-op, I guess. So I want this to be a bit more round based. So after every week, you either like keep your, I guess, restaurant, I guess, or like you can start fresh and get everything deleted at the end of the 7 days, but like based on your performance and stuff, you can like prestige, which is pretty much just like a level up, and then if you do that, you get like additional blocks that way. And then the currency would just be for like customization and other things, I think. So those are kind of my like general ideas for how I'm going to continue it. Oh yeah, and then like behind here is going to be like the shops itself, and then like maybe like restaurant of the week sort of thing, where it just takes like a top rated plot and then just like showcases it here. Oh my god, look, guys, look, it's an error. It's a little glitchy patch of grass. See, this is why we gameplay test and like walk around the area. Because I'm pretty sure like 99% of players are just gonna look at it and be like, "Oh, yeah, that's an error. It's not really messing with me, so I'm not gonna tell the developer or anything." But yeah, definitely something I want to fix, and it's a really easy fix too. I can like get this fixed in like 10 seconds. So like, yeah, definitely fixing that. And yeah, so there's the new direction. I guess like a bit of a polish on like the buttons there, if you haven't already noticed, I guess, and like the signs are a bit more rounded, giving this a bit of like a softer-ish approach. I want the environment to kind of be like kind of stylish, stylized, and then like have like all the building elements be kind of plasticky. So it's gonna be easy for me to like add in a bunch of additional blocks that can like be recolored to anything and not need to worry about like texturing on it, and then like map stuff where I don't have to worry about the possibility of recolors having textures. And I think that's all I really gotta say. Um, some points in development, you just gotta wipe your canvas and salvage the best parts, I guess. And yeah, these trees, uh,